kids. Hope you all are doing good at your home. In today's video, I have brought some very easy and interesting activities for you. In the first activity, we have got these 4 disposable glasses, and you can play this thing with your parents, with sibling or anyone. These are some motor skill activities which improves your concentration. So I have got a coin here. You can take any object at the place of coin. You put it under one of the cup. What you need to do is then you need to move it. Okay, after 2-3 random movements, you will have to just see carefully where the cup is moving. Okay, if your sibling or someone else, your partner is doing it, you will have to just keep an eye over the cup, and then after the movement you'll have to tell like under which cup there is a coin. If your guess is right, you will get 1 point for that. If it's not, then fine, just try it for the next thing. In a similar way you can play the alternative rounds. And for the second activity, I just planned this thing. In this, I've assigned a particular color to a letter. Okay, and with these letters, we'll be just making some code. I've used the simple paper in square and rectangle kind of shape. For A, I have assigned pink color. For B, I have assigned green color. And for C, I have assigned yellow color. And here I have written some codes. Okay, so you will be just arranging the stuff according to the code. It's written A. Which color is being assigned to A? It's pink. So I put pink here. Second is C is written here. For C, we have yellow color. So I put yellow color here. And then it's B. So I'll be putting green color here. Okay. Then A, B, C. For A, we are having which color? Pink. For B, green, and for C, that yellow one. Then for C, we are having yellow color. For B, we are having green color, and for A, we are having pink color. Okay, these are some easy codes. So for a particular code, this will be the arrangement. Okay, for the next level, I have written the 4 letters here, so you can make arrangement for 4 letters also, 5 letters also. Here C, the code for that paper for C is, it's yellow. Then it's B, the color for B is green. For A, the color for A is pink, and then for B it's again green. Okay, this thing improve your hands and eyes coordination. At the same time, we will be doing some series problem, so in that it will be helpful for you. Okay, you can get this thing arranged from your parents, and this is very easy and very much helpful activity for you. In the next activity, I've got some of the props, you can say, or characters I've got here. Okay, so let's do something else at the place here. You can use Peppa. Okay, in this way we have got some of the characters here. You can play this thing also with your parents or sibling. What you need to do is, you will have to just name them first of all. Peppa is sitting here, Minion is sitting here, Doraemon is sitting here, and this is you. Okay, after that you will have to just see all the series carefully, and then you need to close your eyes. Once you close your eyes, the person who's playing with you just remove one of the character from you. Okay, then you need to open your eyes. You'll see the series again. What will you observe? If you observe some character is missing, okay, and then you'll need to tell which character is missing. If you are telling the right answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're not, just better luck next time. Okay, so Peppa, Minion, Doraemon, and you. if you're a girl, you can use this kind of thing. You can use any toys or anything, whatever is available at your home. Okay, then one character is missing. Open your eyes. Which one is missing? Doraemon. Alright, so in this way you can play this thing. These are very common, very easy and much convenient, and less, you don't need much of the resources for these things. You can play this game. Makes a study, these things makes a study interesting for you. At the same time, they are very much helpful for the series problem and the things we'll be doing in this curriculum session and all. Okay, so just keep learning, be safe, stay at your home. Try these activities. Till then, bye bye.